Morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. I wanted to go over really quick what I'm expecting you to work on today, what you should have done by now, and give you a few reminders. Okay, so the first thing that I want you to look at for today, and this is completely optional. So if you do not want to do this activity, you do not have to. This is if you just miss math so much and want to have some extra practice with it. So your optional assignment for today is to do estimation number 3, which is answering the question, how many sheets on the roll of toilet paper? Seems kind of relevant given today's situation. So I thought this would be a fun one to estimate. So given one sheet of toilet paper, how many sheets will fit on that entire roll? For those of you that tuned in last week, for estimation number 2, how many almonds were in the giant container? If you remember what your answer was, the answer was actually close to 1,120 almonds. So if you guessed a number closer to that, then give yourself a pat on the back. Woohoo! So for today's estimation, what you're going to do is make your guess, go to the Google form on Google Classroom, which is called estimation number 3, fill in your answers and have some fun with it. And then if you have some extra time today, maybe make an appointment with me. 6th graders especially, because your test is coming up next week. So I want to make sure that if you had any questions on the closure problems that you are setting an appointment with me to meet. Then it's right here at the top, Calendly site to book an appointment, and that will give you the link to my Calendly to set up an appointment with me. Also, remember your daily agenda is always linked here at the top. One last thing. I sent out to all my students yesterday afternoon this announcement about moving into accelerated math. So in order to move on to either 6 or to 7A if you are currently in 6th grade, or 8A, 8 accelerated if you are in 7th grade, you need to take this assessment. And it's timed, and you don't get to pause. So you got to make sure that you're ready to take it as soon as you click the start button, and it will all be on Elluminate. It is optional. It's only if you want to move into the accelerated class, which means for 7th grade, you would be doing 8th accelerated. So it's like half 8th grade math and half like algebra. It moves super fast. And then in 7th accelerated for 6th graders, that means that you would be doing all of the 7th grade, part of the 7th grade material and part of the 8th grade material to start algebra as an 8th grader. So that is optional. The window will open on Monday at 8 a.m. and you will have until April 24th at 5 p.m. to complete the 2 sections of the test. So you can take one section on Monday if you want, and then you can take the second section a week later, but you just can't pause in between during one of those sections. So I just wanted to put that out there. I will be sending out an email Monday morning before 8 a.m. To give you all the other info. And if you have any questions about that, you can always email me. So today, just to wrap it up, you are making sure that your homework is done for the week. I'm going to be inputting grades into Aries today and tomorrow, sending out a report to your parents. So make sure your homework is done for the week for the Monday, Wednesday homework. Do estimation number 3 if you have time, set up an appointment if you have time, and have a great rest of your day. Happy Thursday, everybody. It's Friday Eve. Woo! Bye, guys.